Crafty people, I have to tell you, I accidentally deleted my design team package haul for ASC Supplies, and I'm having to redo it. I can't remember everything I got because after I do my video, I put everything away. So, oh, no, that's not it. Okay, well, let's get started. First of all, I did order this little pine tree stamp. It's a Lavinia stamp. She has all of the fairies and gnomes and fairy walkways and bridges and all the goodness that comes. I have a lot of Lavinia stamps. Got them all from ASC Supplies on Etsy. Check the links in the description box down below and head over to the store. She has great shipping, and I think it's over a certain dollar amount in the US is free shipping, so definitely get that. I got this wooden shape from Stampery. I think it's actually, the way it looks is pronounced Stampery, but everybody calls it Stamperia. Oh, it is. That's supposed to be an A. Stamperia. Okay. Anyway, they came out with these wooden shapes, and she has quite a few to choose from. This one comes with 2 hot air balloons and 2 flourishes, and then this little label right here. So very nice quality, and it is wood. It's not chipboard. I have been doing some altering of bottles and jars and things, and I just love that this, you know, has the circles and the oval to put on the glass. So this is decoupage. And of course you could put it on anything. You can put it on wood, you can put it on plastic, you can put it on anything. But I'm going to probably put these on glass. This is beautiful, and I wanted this in my stash. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. It's a dress form. And then there's this decoupage sheet with the unicorn. And the gorgeous clock. Oh my goodness. I am looking forward to playing with this one. These are all so reasonably priced. Some of them under $2. So check it out. And you can fussy cut these and just use the actual image. You can use the whole sheet. You can use it multiple. Like you could use this clock, and then another project you can use that clock, and another project you can use the sentiment. You know, there's just all kinds of opportunities with these. Then there's this beautiful one. I'm just going to collect these and have them in my stash, so when I do have a project that comes up, I mean, because as reasonably priced as these are great items to just kind of put in your hoard vault for when the right thing comes along. You never know when that's going to happen. Okay, so I got this beautiful collection, and it comes with all these different background. Let me take it out and share it with you. And I'll be honest with you guys, I had recognized a similar collection at Hobby Lobby, and I am going to mix this with that collection because, oh gosh, guys, I'm sorry. It always takes a lot to get it out of the thing. Okay, so here it is. It's called Roses and Laces. And last time I used their vintage laces one. This one's more like farmhousey. I just love it. And I already have been creating. I got 2 of this pack, and I've already been creating. So the other pack I already have cut up. I cut out all these things. I cut out the clocks. So excited. This one has lace at the top. And then it has all these cut aparts. And I love the ones at the top that say diary, journal, autographs, and memories. That is going to come into play in a project coming up. Then you get all these tags. Or you can use the other side, which is like a dry brush burlap. So there you go. I got 2 packs of that. And I'm not gonna advertise for this other paper collection, but I did want to show you that this is a paper collection you can get at Hobby Lobby that'll mix in real nicely, like if you want to do a larger project, because this collection you get 10 double-faced sheets. So like if you wanted to do a mini album, you would need, it depends how big a mini album, but you would need 2 or 3. Whereas that other paper collection, I'm going to be able to mix things in, and that's just an idea for you. Okay, let me move that out of the way because I did get another Stamperia pad. This beautiful one. And for me, I'm thinking if you bought one of these pads, you could do a journal because you could mix in blank pages with it. So, but mini albums, they take a lot. Okay. I love this sheet. Oh my goodness. I love it. And we've got those 2. And look how beautiful that is. And then you've got these cut aparts. That cool sheet right there. And at the top of this one, you've got some pretty designs. More cut aparts. More tags and little doodads. This one's got that same design at the top. Beautiful, beautiful, loving looking birds. This gorgeous paper too. And then this is the last sheet. So I've actually got something really unique coming up with the roses and lace, and then I'm going to do something rather traditional with the New England. But there are so many Stamperia papers to choose from. You must head over. She has got the best prices. She's got the best shipping, and I wouldn't steer you guys wrong. You know that. All right. Thanks for watching. Head over to ASC Supplies on Etsy. Links in the description box down below. I'll see you guys soon. Ah, yes. Look at the paint. All right. Talk to you guys later. Bye. I got these beautiful, beautiful butterflies. Just gorgeous. Very, very reasonably priced. So I'll be using those. And then, ta-da! How could I forget these? Except that I put them away and forgot. So, I will be using, actually have 3 of these. 2 in white and 1 in the craft. And these are really, really great from Heartfelt Creations. Nice to have them on hand. Sometimes I like to make mine with wider gussets, but I love the fact that these can just be on hand to grab, and much easier to get started on a mini album than having to do this part. So I did pick these up as well. Like I said, 2 whites and a craft, and I believe they come in black also. And then the beautiful butterflies. So definitely check out ASC Supplies. Links in the description box. Thanks for watching. I kind of want to show you a little teaser of what I was working on today. Okay, I'm going to show you a little teaser. Okay, that's what you get. And it is nothing like I've really ever created before. So, yeah, I'll be sharing this with you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.